Hey everyone, welcome back to MaryFox Crypto, the channel where you're subscribed for the latest Bitcoin news, price action, and all things crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin. There are a lot of things happening right now, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. Please subscribe, leave your comments down below, like this video, share it with your friends. This would help me a lot. And if you are an experienced trader, make sure you check out the link in the description of this video. You can get up to $1,600 bonus on BYBIT for free for your trading if you sign up with my link and make a deposit. And if you already have an account there, you can always make a new one if you want to take this opportunity. And with that being said, let's start talking about the price of Bitcoin. And we will start by looking at a daily chart. So on a daily time frame, there are many things happening right now, and there are a few very bullish signals which I want to show you. So the first thing is we finally have a crossover between a lead and span A and lead and span B, which is happening right here, which means that right now we are forming a green cloud. And the last time this happened was actually all the way back in November 2020, and you can see what happened right after that. Let's come back. Another great thing is that right now we finally have a crossover between the conversion line, which is this purple line, and the baseline, which is this yellow line, which is another very bullish signal. And right now the price is above the conversion line and above the baseline, and we also have a green cloud, and the conversion line just crossed the baseline from below. So these are all amazing, great bullish signals. And another bullish signal is that we finally have a candle which is trading fully above this 50-day moving average. This green line is 50-period moving average on a daily time frame. We had this candle which was also trading fully above the 50-day moving average, but then we broke below it again, and now we finally have this big green candle which is trading fully above 50-day moving average, which is very good for the price of Bitcoin. However, there is still something a little bit concerning. We still have our lagging span below the closing price of this candle, which is not that great yet because it means that we do not have the support of the mountain yet. However, if things will continue going this way, this will definitely go right above this candle, and I will be super bullish on a daily time frame. Now let's see what's going on the 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, there also something interesting is happening because we have this inverse head and shoulders pattern. And what is also important that we already broke above the neckline with this candle somewhere here, which is of course another great bullish signal. And we also have a green cloud forming. We had the crossover between the conversion line and the baseline, and on a 4-hour time frame we have our lagging span above the closing price of this candle. So it means that we already have the support of the lagging span or the mountain on the 4-hour time frame. However, I drew these two resistance lines a long time ago, and as you can see, we tried to break it with this candle and this candle already 2 times, and we still did not break it. So this is something concerning. However, everything looks very bullish on a 4-hour time frame. The price is trading above the cloud. The conversion line is below the price. The price is above both conversion line and baseline. So everything looks very bullish on the 4-hour time frame. Speaking about 1-hour time frame, when I was thinking about making this video, we only had this candle and I did not see that candle coming. So this was actually very concerning to see how the price broke below both conversion line and the baseline. However, at that time we had the support of the lagging span. It is above the closing price of this candle, so the price quickly managed to go back up again, and now we're trading above the conversion line and the baseline again. The cloud is green, and as I said, we have the support of the mountain, so everything looks bullish. Price is above the cloud. I am bullish on the 1-hour time frame as well. So I want to remind you guys that if you are experienced traders or you want to trade, there's a link in the description of this video. You can get up to $1,600 bonus on BYBIT for free for your trading. all you have to do is sign up with my link and make a deposit. So if you already have an account there, you can still make a new one and use this opportunity because this is a limited offer. And I also want to remind you guys that I have a Twitter account. So if you want to see daily updates on the price of Bitcoin or just anything related to Bitcoin, make sure you follow me on Twitter. And also on Instagram. I have all the links in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and leave your comments down below. Subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye.